The Google Pixel feature drop for December is here. That means we've got fixes, we've got updates, and we've also got new features. This is 2 months in a row. We got a feature drop in November. Now we have our quarterly feature drop in December as well. So if you got a Pixel 9, Pixel 10, Pixel 8, different Pixel phones, you can go ahead and get this now, download it over the air. Of course, if it's not there, don't fret. It'll probably be there in the next couple of days. But yeah, of course they would do this while I'm traveling. This actually dropped yesterday, so I'm a day late and $1 short with this. I apologize for that, but I'm here now. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk about some of these new things that we got. There's a lot of new fixes. Of course, we're gonna do the normal thing first, show you how to get the update. Very easy. You scroll down, go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, you're gonna go down to System. And then once you're in System, you're gonna go to Software Updates. And then right here, you tap on System Update. Mine, a lot of times it says system is up to date. Press the check for update button anyway and see if it goes ahead and pops up. But we've got a lot of different things. I'm going to start with the fixes because there's a lot. There's like a bunch of security patches, a bunch of fixes. So we'll go through the fixes real quick. So for audio, fix for issue occasionally causing audio crashes. Battery and charging, fix for an issue where the battery icon displays a blank or question mark on the status bar in certain conditions. Fix for an issue where the battery's 80% charge limit setting may be incorrect in certain conditions. Bluetooth, fix for issue occasionally preventing connection with certain Bluetooth devices or accessories. Camera, general improvements for camera stability under certain conditions. Display and graphics, fix for an issue that causes the screen to flash or remain black in certain conditions. Fix for a screen issue that causes the screen to occasionally hang or freeze in certain conditions. Fix for an issue where the screen brightness becomes dim and requires toggling the screen off and on to restore normal brightness in certain conditions. Fix for an issue where the screen does not respond immediately when attempting to unlock from the always-on display. The fix for inner display of Pixel foldable devices flickering or going black when launching games in certain conditions. Fix for issue causing screens freezes and display corruption in certain conditions. Framework, fix for an issue with toggling the extra dim quick settings tile in certain conditions. Fix for an issue where the system could run out of memory due to splash screens not closing properly in certain conditions. Fix for an issue with stability when using picture-in-picture mode during display changes in certain conditions. General improvements for system stability and performance in certain conditions. I get so tired of saying this. Sensors, fix for stability issues caused by memory allocation features and sensor-related features under certain conditions. System, general improvements for system stability and performance in certain conditions. The telephone, like modem, fix for issues causing instability and intermittent problems with emergency calling functionality under certain conditions. And general improvements for network connection stability and performance in certain conditions. So I have had people that have complained about network stability and connection, so hopefully this fixes that for you. Touch issues, fix for issues causing fingerprint unlock to fail under certain conditions. So if you've been having issues with your fingerprint scanner, hopefully this fixes that. User interface, there's a lot of fixes here. Fix for an issue that causes the keyboard to sometimes flicker or fail to appear when searching in the app drawer. Fix for an issue with Google Home controls, launch as a blank screen in certain conditions. Fix for an issue with screen freezing when using gesture navigation or app switching in certain conditions. Fix for an issue where message notification sounds are sometimes not playing in certain conditions. Fix for an issue with layouts and animations during transitions in certain conditions. There's a lot of these. Fix for issue with overlapping user interface elements and the notification shade in certain conditions. Fix for an issue with semi-transparent background remains on the screen after launching the camera via a double press of the power button in certain conditions. Fix for an issue with swipe gestures failing to trigger overview or exit apps in certain conditions. Fix for issues with quick settings, shade in certain conditions. Fix for switch system UI crashing when interacting with notification onboarding buttons in certain conditions. Fix for an issue where this notification shade sometimes incorrectly displays the quick settings shelf instead of notifications after unlocking the screen. General improvements for performance and stability in certain user interface transitions and animations. And last but not least, Wi-Fi. Fix to improve Wi-Fi connectivity, stability, and performance in certain conditions. So that's all of the fixes. Of course, there's a lot of security patch stuff too. I think there's like 33 different security vulnerabilities that were fixed. So if I remember that correctly from reading it. And there's new features. So I want to talk about the new features real quick. And here's some of them. We've got AI-powered notification summaries now, so you can condense longer messages and group chats, giving you quick understanding and context at a glance. Notification organizer automatically groups and silences your lower priority notifications, such as promotions, news, and social alerts, making it easy for you to stay focused on what matters with fewer distractions. Custom icon shapes allow you to express your style for your device's home screen. That's kind of cool. Themed icons are automatically applied across your apps for a more cohesive and minimal look. This creates a more consistent feel across all your apps. The expanded option in dark theme automatically darkens most light apps, even those that don't have their own native dark app. Dark theme helps save battery and easier on your eyes. Set the amount of screen time so that can be spent on a device each day to establish healthy habits. Set downtime schedules to automatically lock the device at night to ensure restful sleep without distraction. Control app usage by limiting time spent on specific apps or blocking apps entirely. And add more time by granting extra minutes when a time limit is reached or to extend a scheduled break. So those are some of the updates. There's a lot of stuff. I think there's actually some more things that they added. I'll have to go through. But yeah, sorry, I fixed 33 issues, not 33 bug fixes. But yeah, huge December update, lots of new stuff. This is going to be for the Pixel 6 all the way through the Pixel 10. So people who are upset and complaining about things that were going on with the Pixel 6, not getting supported Pixel 7 with the last feature drop. This is for Pixel 6 all the way up to Pixel 10 and the Fold series phones. So that's nice. And I will try and come back tomorrow if there's more things to talk about. I think there's some more things, more features that got dropped as well, but this is just kind of a condensed summary of a lot of things. But another feature drop. This is our quarterly feature drop for December. So we got some new features, some new things you can do. And of course, we got all these different fixes. So I'm actually really happy about all the fixes because there have been people that have been complaining in the comments about maybe connectivity or battery, some performance related stuff. So this should hopefully tidy up and fix some of those things, along with the security patch vulnerabilities that it fixed, along with some of the new features we got. I think there's some new features. Again, I've got the maintenance guys outside my door right now because there's a leak in the room above me in my hotel, so I got to get out of here. So this is faster than I expected it to be. Yeah, I'm in New York right now. I've got an event that I'm going to today that I can talk more about later, not in the near future. It's just like an early look at some stuff. But I brought my son up here for his birthday yesterday. We were running around doing stuff all day. So I didn't make a video yesterday because we had so much stuff to do and had such a long day in New York City. Of course, the feature dropped while I was doing that, of course, because Google always does this to me at the most inconvenient time. But that's it. Go ahead and definitely check it out. Pixel 10 through Pixel 6 through Pixel 10. Go ahead and download, get your feature drop, your updates, and all those things. And again, always press that button to check your system update because it'll tell you that it's available, that it's up to date, and it's lying, and it's not. But this is starting to roll out as of yesterday. It's a rolling update. It'll start rolling out this week, and hopefully everybody will start getting it in the next couple of days. But that's all I got. If you have any questions, comments, gripes, concerns, complaints, all that stuff, please, of course, go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell for updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys next time.